Hello everyone, how are you doing? Nat here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix the taskbar not working or not showing in Windows 11. The first step is go to the start menu, select the power up button and click on restart. And wait a moment. Log in with your PIN or your password here and go to the start menu, select the power, type CMD, right click and select run as administrator. If you receive an user account control, click on yes and type SEFC /scannow and hit enter. And wait a moment. And to apply the change, click on close, go to the start menu, select the power up button and click on restart. And log in with your PIN or your password and your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.